kids! Welcome to today's learning adventure. Let's meet some amazing farm animals in this fun educational video. Cow.
Yay! Cows are gentle farm animals that give us fresh milk every day, used to make butter, cheese, and ice cream. Moo, moo. Can you moo like a big friendly cow?
Goat.
Yay! Goats are playful animals that can climb hills and even jump on rocks with ease. Meh, meh. Pretend you're a goat climbing high.
Sheep.
Yay! Sheep have fluffy wool that keeps them warm and is used to make sweaters and blankets. Ba, ba. Can you sound like a fluffy sheep?
Horse.
Yay! Horses are strong and fast, often helping farmers pull carts or giving rides. Clip clop, imagine riding on a galloping horse.
Donkey.
Yay! Donkeys carry heavy loads and help farmers on long journeys. Hee-haw! Shout like a silly donkey.
Pig.
Yay! Pigs love rolling in the mud to stay cool on hot days. Oink, oink. Wiggle your nose like a piggy.
Duck.
Yay! Ducks swim in ponds and quack loudly while flapping their wings. Quack, quack. Pretend to splash like a duck.
Hen.
Yay! Hens cluck around the farm and lay eggs for us to eat. Cluck, cluck. Can you flap like a hen?
Rooster.
Yay! Roosters crow loudly in the morning to wake everyone up. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Stretch like the sun is rising.
Turkey.
Yay! Turkeys have big feathers and make funny gobbling sounds. Gobble, gobble. Shake your wings like a turkey.
Dog.
Yay! Farm dogs are loyal helpers who guard the animals and protect the farm. Woof, woof. Pretend to bark like a farm dog.
Cat.
Yay! Cats love chasing mice around barns and curling up for naps. Meow, meow. Can you purr like a sleepy cat?
Rabbit.
Yay! Rabbits have long ears and love to munch on crunchy carrots. Hop, hop. Bounce like a happy bunny.
Goose.
Yay! Geese waddle around the farm and honk loudly to warn of danger. Honk, honk. Stretch your neck like a goose.
Buffalo.
Yay! Buffalo are strong animals that give thick milk and help plow fields. Snort, snort. Pretend to be a mighty buffalo.
Foal.
Yay! Baby donkeys are called foals, and they're playful and curious. Hee-haw! Imagine being a baby donkey running around.
Llama.
Yay! Llamas are fluffy farm animals often kept for their wool and as guards. Hum, hum. Pretend you're a llama with a long neck.
Goat Kid.
Yay! Baby goats, called kids, love to jump, hop, and play all day. Boing boing, bounce like a little goat.
Pony.
Yay!
Ponies are small horses that kids can ride easily. Clip clop. Imagine riding on a pony.
Ox.
Yay!
Oxen are hard-working animals used for pulling carts and
Duckling.
Yay!
baby ducks are yellow, fluffy, and follow their mother everywhere. Quack, quack. Waddle like a duckling.
Chick.
Yay!
Chicks hatch from eggs and grow into hens or roosters. Peep, peep. Can you chirp like a chick?
Goose gosling. Chick.
Yay!
Goslings are baby geese that learn to swim soon after hatching. Flap, flap. Pretend to swim like a gosling.
Lamb.
Yay!
Lambs are baby sheep with the softest wool. Ba ba. Hop around like a lamb.
Horseful.
Yay!
Foals are baby horses that love running across fields. Neigh, neigh. Pretend you're a foal galloping fast.
Piglet.
Yay!
Piglets are tiny pigs that squeal and snort while playing. Oink, oink. Wiggle like a piglet in the mud.
Rabbit. Kitten.
Yay!
Baby rabbits, called kittens, are small, soft, and very quick. Hop, hop. Pretend to be a tiny bunny.
Mule.
Yay!
Mules are born from a donkey and a horse, and they're very strong. Hee-haw! Imagine being a mule carrying loads.
Farm goose.
Yay!
Mule.
The farm goose loves swimming in ponds and guarding the barnyard. Honk, honk. Stretch your wings wide.
Farm dog. Puppy.
Yay!
Puppies grow up to be farm dogs and love to play and protect. Woof, woof. Pretend you're a playful puppy.
We met so many farm animals today and learned amazing facts. Keep watching our kids learning videos for more fun early learning adventures.